birdie. You've got to eat it up though. Eat it up. Come on. Come on, sweetheart, eat up. It's a good bird. Come on, darling. Good boy. Up, up. Chop, chop. Come on. Round the hatch. Come on, darling. Come on. That's a good boy. Get it down your neck. You're a good birdie. There you go. He's a good boy. Eat it. That's a good bird. Let me wet this bit for you. There you go. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, gotta swallow it. Come on, chicken. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. He's up. Come on. Come on, you can do better. Come on. That's not going to make you big and fat and strong, is it? Hey? It's not going to make you big, fat and strong. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Clever bird. He's a clever boy. Yeah, have a bit more. Good boy. Bit more. Come on. There's a good boy. Now then, let's try. What do you think of this? Just wet it for you. A little bit of cat biscuit. No? You're not impressed? Come on. To be sure you're getting enough water too, little man. Not like that one. Oh, Becky, eat it. Eat it then. Okay. Eat it up. Thank you. You want to take a drink? Good boy. Come on, a bit more. You're a clever lad. Ooh, tissue. Sorry, did it go up your snout? They did. Good boy. You're good. A bit more. Come on. Come on. He's a good boy. He's a good birdie. Good, smart little magpie. Enough? How about see if you can force another piece of meat down you. Good boy. Well, that's best mince. Best mince. None of this frozen crap. No. Best butchers. Come on, get it out. Come on, eat up. Eat it. I'll take it back. Come on, get it out. Well, we know you don't like chicken, so we ignore the chicken. Yeah, that's it. Good boy.